We'll guide you through how to update Google Drive so you can always have the latest features and security updates. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Once you're there, make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Now, it's important to understand that Google Drive on the web updates automatically, so you don't need to manually update it like a traditional application. However, if you're using the Google Drive desktop app, you might need to ensure it's set to update automatically. To check this, go to your system tray on Windows or the menu bar on Mac and find the Google Drive icon. Click on it and then click on the gear icon to go to Preferences. In Preferences, you'll see a section for Settings where you can ensure that the option to update automatically is selected. This ensures that Google Drive will update itself whenever a new version is released. If for any reason you don't see the automatic update option, you might need to download the latest version directly from Google's website. Simply visit the Google Drive download page and download the latest version for your operating system. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to update Google Drive manually. Remember, keeping Google Drive up to date is crucial for maintaining security and getting access to the latest features. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.